They call her Angela Davis, scholar and a fighter. Raised a fist for freedom, no darkness could smite her. Black power icon in the midst of the storm. Mind so sharp, words cut through the norm. Chains on knowledge, snaps them with ease. In the halls of justice, ain't no room for peace. A force in the lecture, revolution in each breath. Ain't afraid to speak truth, even when it meant death. Freedom ain't given, gotta seize it like a prize. Angela D, fierce in the world of lies. Fought for liberation with the fire so strong. Standing tall, moving even when the world goes wrong. From the classroom to the courtroom, her presence demands respect, intellect, got the world in her hands. Unwavering spirit, like a mountain unmoved. Sister got the power, freedom's always proved. She speaks of justice, echoes in the wind. History remembers, where does freedom begin? In the hearts of the people, the power resides. Angela D, teaching lessons, no one divides. Freedom ain't given, gotta seize it like a prize. Angela D, fierce in the world of lies. Fought for liberation with the fire so strong. Standing tall, moving even when the world goes wrong. Standing tall, moving even when the world goes wrong. From the classroom to the courtroom, her presence demands respect, intellect, got the world in her hands. Unwavering spirit, like a mountain unmoved. Sister got the power, freedom's always proved. From the classroom to the courtroom, her presence demands respect, intellect, got the world in her hands. Unwavering spirit, like a mountain unmoved. Sister got the power, freedom's always proved. She speaks of justice. Eartha Kitt, a queen on the rise. Hit the world with heat, got fire in her eyes. More than a singer, a story untold. Written in the soul, pure heart of gold. Meow, she purrs like a cat woman. Scratch paper dreams, haters kept on running. Legacy eternal, etched in the sky. Purpose name, stars won't pass by. Actress and dancer, a true triple threat. Got the room shook, ain't seen nothing yet. From the stage to the screen, she took her stand. Black and proud, queen of the land.